The title of this lecture is to go through cases in infectious diseases. So we have analyzed how the immune system reacts against different types of microbes. So the aim is that the students would take another perspective to infections and to the immune system, so that they would understand the operations more deeply when they actually have to play the roles of the immune system components themselves. So it provides a completely different kind of a view to the immune system, and forces the students to think the system in a different way, and in a way that makes it easier for them to remember how it happens. And the students were very excited, and I was very surprised how motivated they were, and they had practiced beforehand, and they really knew their roles, and they are like born actors, and they performed really well, and they put even in some of their emotion, and it was not just mechanistic presentation of the issues. So they might be a little bit shy in the beginning, but little by little they learn how to stand up and talk and present and explain.
The lecture was amazing. I found it perfectly in line with the humanities style of lectures. Is something different that we will find only here, I think. If I enjoyed the lecture, of course I enjoyed it, and I think that this kind of role plays are extremely useful to understand deeply the knowledge that we have to metabolize, and I think that an emotional drive that you get by seeing your colleagues doing such a funny thing will of course improve your memorization.